Dear friends, gather round as we embark on a journey through the annals of history to uncover the captivating tale of the invention of the printer, a story brimming with innovation, determination, and a dash of serendipity. Our story begins in the 15th century, a time when Europe was undergoing a transformative era known as the Renaissance. This period was marked by a resurgence of art, science, and literature. But one significant hurdle stood in the way of disseminating this newfound knowledge: the painstakingly slow process of copying manuscripts by hand. Imagine scribes hunched over their desks, quills in hand, laboring for hours just to produce a single book. It was a laborious task that limited the spread of ideas to only the wealthiest and most influential individuals. Enter Johannes Gutenberg, a man of vision and tenacity. Born in the quaint German town of Mainz around 1400, Gutenberg was not content with the status quo. He dreamed of a world where knowledge could be shared widely and freely, breaking the chains of exclusivity. Drawing on his background as a goldsmith, he devised a revolutionary concept: movable type. Now, Gutenberg didn't invent printing outright. Credit for that goes to the Chinese, who had been printing with woodblocks since the Tang dynasty. However, it was Gutenberg who perfected the process and made it practical for mass production. His ingenious idea was to create individual letters and symbols from metal, which could be arranged and rearranged to form words, sentences, and entire pages. This method allowed for the rapid production of text, unlike anything the world had seen before. But the road to success was not without its bumps. Gutenberg's early experiments were fraught with challenges. He needed to develop a durable yet malleable alloy for his type, a reliable ink that wouldn't smudge or fade, and a press that could exert even pressure to ensure clear impressions. After years of trial and error, by 1450, he had constructed his first printing press, a contraption inspired by the wine presses of the Rhineland. The moment of truth came in 1455 when Gutenberg printed his magnum opus, the Gutenberg Bible. This remarkable work consisted of 42 lines per page and was printed in Latin. It was a masterpiece of precision and artistry, demonstrating the full potential of movable type printing. The impact was immediate and profound. The Gutenberg Bible wasn't just a book. It was a beacon of the new age of enlightenment and accessibility. Gutenberg's invention set off a cascade of developments in printing technology. His press could produce hundreds of copies in the time it took a scribe to produce one. Books became more affordable, literacy rates soared, and ideas spread like wildfire. The printing press played a pivotal role in the Reformation, the Scientific Revolution, and the Enlightenment. It can be said without exaggeration that Gutenberg's invention laid the foundation for the modern world. But what of Gutenberg himself? Alas, his story takes a bittersweet turn. Financial difficulties and legal battles with his investor, Johann Fust, led to Gutenberg losing control of his printing workshop. He died in relative obscurity in 1468, unaware of the monumental impact his invention would have on humanity. Yet, his legacy endures, immortalized in every printed page and every book that has ever graced a bookshelf. So, the next time you pick up a book, magazine, or even glance at a printed menu, spare a thought for Johannes Gutenberg, the visionary who turned the tide of history with his ingenious invention. From the humble beginnings of a goldsmith's workshop to the vast libraries of knowledge we enjoy today, the printer's journey is a testament to the power of innovation and the unyielding human spirit. Your support is greatly appreciated. Please subscribe for a continuous supply of knowledge. Thank you.